Hello and welcome to or welcome back to my channel, From Dust to Shine. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning and decorating my bathroom. The first thing I'm going to do is clean the sinks. I'm going to be using Lysol with bleach. I have the ceiling fan going, and also I opened up the window because the smell of bleach is a bit strong. I'm then going to clean everything off the counters, and I'm going to use my brush to scrub the sinks and just use some water to rinse them off. After that, with a Clorox wipe, I'm going to disinfect the countertops and clean my mirror with the glass cleaner. I like to take this time to introduce myself. My name is Veronica. I work full-time outside of my house, and one of my favorite hobbies is cleaning and decorating. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my uploads. Now I'm going to take everything out of the shower so that I can spray scrubbing bubbles. This helps remove hard water stains and grime that builds up from daily use. I'm then going to start scrubbing the shower doors with a sponge. I repeat this process 2 or 3 times as needed. Inside the shower door, I use Lysol with bleach, and that is why I'm using flip-flops and gloves to clean. What I love about scrubbing bubbles is that you can use it to clean your whole bathroom, like sink, toilet, shower, and bathtub.
Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older.
Now that I have everything clean, I'm going to be using a razor blade to remove the hard water stains and buildup that has accumulated. At the same time, I'm going to be using a glass cleaner and a microfiber towel to dry off the glass. I would love for you guys to comment down below and let me know if there is a must-have product that you use for cleaning the shower. This works for me, but I would love to know what else is out there and any tips that you can share with me will be much appreciated.
Within your broken bones, and be wild, 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 wild.
This is what it looks like when I'm all done. Like you can see, the hard water stains and the buildup are all gone. Now I'm going to put everything back in its place so that I can move on to the bathtub. For the bathtub, I'm going to be using a Lysol multi-purpose spray. We don't really use the bathtub, so it just needs a quick rinse to remove any dust that has accumulated.
You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Since I was already cleaning and the window was opened, I noticed how much dirt the windowsill had, and I just used a Clorox wipe and a toothbrush I use for cleaning. Honestly, I had not realized how dirty this was.
You make me feel like I'm alive. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
I then got to vacuuming and mopping my floors. On this day, I used my microfiber mop. All I did was just used water and used my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner to give the bathroom a nice and fresh scent.
Hey, I think that you're in over your head. Now I'm done talking. This time I might go out with my friends. And I don't want your sad blue eyes.
Now I'm going to show you how I clean my toilet. I use this pumice stone to help with removing the hard water stains and the yellow ring that forms in your toilet. I bought this pumice stone at Walmart, but they also have it at Target, Dollar Store, and you can also order it through Amazon. The first thing I do is use this Comet with bleach and I let it sit for a minute or two. Then I use my toilet bowl brush to scrub. I then use a magic eraser to help with removing the stains. The stain that you will see is because the cleaning products I use and it's just having the paint come off of the toilet. Lastly, I use a Clorox wipe to just disinfect the whole toilet. I then flush the toilet so that I can start scrubbing with the pumice stone around the areas that have buildup. Like you can see, my toilet doesn't accumulate much buildup because I use the Clorox tablets and the pumice stone. And between the two, they have made my life a whole lot easier. I really recommend these two products. And now on to my favorite part, decorating. In the county where I live, the stores are still closed. The bath towels and the bath mats I bought at Costco, and the little white table, I just brought that over from my office, and then I just reused some items that I had around my house to decorate. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.